Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Loewen. I'm going to jump right into it. We don't have a ton of time here. So I am kind of known as the greenhouse guy. So I work primarily with the high-tech greenhouse facilities here in Alberta and starting to become known as the AI guy as well. So I get to talk a lot about some of the new technologies that are going into greenhouse operations. So some of those, just to mention a few, would be climate control systems, IPM management systems, and even yield forecasting. So lots of really exciting tech in this space right now. And, you know, I got a chance to visit the Green Tech conference in Holland last summer. And no exaggeration, I think the majority of the exhibitors there were automation or AI focused. So, and this is a huge conference, so just a lot of really exciting tech here. However, today I'm not going to be talking about any of that. I wanted to do something a little bit different today for you. Hopefully some stuff that will be more broadly applicable. So whether you're on the research side here at the university or agronomist in the field, I'm going to work through a few kind of use cases of some AI tools that hopefully will be useful for you, and you can maybe take home and start to look at integrating into your day-to-day processes. So yeah, no sexy drone shots from me today, but you're getting plenty of that otherwise. So the shiny object phase of AI, it is behind us now. There are a plethora of very practical, very useful tools that are available for professionals and are currently being underutilized. So I hope today we can kind of move the needle a little bit on that. And I want to encourage you guys to really think of ways that you can integrate some of these really powerful AI solutions into your processes. So yeah, I'm going to work through a few examples here of some different use cases for AI, some different tools. The first one we're going to look at is AI search. So essentially, we're just going to let these models do the work for us, go out, find the information we need, and bring that information back to us. So really just saving us from having to scroll through a list of blue links to find the information we need. So this company here, Perplexity, they recently just had a funding round valued at $16 billion. And this company's not even 3 years old yet. So clearly some really powerful tech here. Yeah, bookmark this one. You will thank me later. The next process we're going to look at here. So recently I just took on secretary responsibilities for a board that I sit on, and I kind of tongue-in-cheek at that time nominated ChatGPT to take over the role here, because essentially the AI is doing the bulk of the work for this responsibility. So it's a two-step process. The first step here we're going to look at is an AI meeting assistant. You guys have probably seen these popping up on your meetings. And essentially what they do is they sit in on your call, and they're able to provide you with nice actionable insights from the meeting. They're going to tell you what transpired, what action items there are for you, and if your ego can handle it, you'll even get to see how many times you said or like or which is always way more than you did. So for this process, we're just going to download these two documents that the Read meeting assistant is going to automatically generate for you. So this is a meeting summary and a meeting transcript. And what we're going to do is we're going to drop those two files into a large language model. In this case, I find that Google's Gemini works best for this in terms of maintaining the formatting that we need. You can use other models as well, of course. And along with those two files, we're just going to be adding a reference document. So in this case, just an example of our meeting minutes so that the model knows how to format the document. Super straightforward. You literally only need a short prompt like this. And on the other end, we have our minutes. So worst case scenario, if you do happen to fall asleep during the 4-hour board meeting, AI has you covered. So I love this example because it is such a clear-cut and very simple use case. And we're taking what is generally maybe an hour and a half, 2-hour task. Obviously, we're taking notes during the meeting manually, and then we're building that into a document, a minutes document in this case. And we're now able to do this process in less than 5 minutes. So the next example we're going to look at is AI for knowledge and data management. So the tool here is called Notebook LM. This is a free tool from Google, and essentially is a central information repository for your projects. So we can upload a set of data for individual projects, and we can interact with that data using natural language. So I have some examples here of some data types that we can upload to Notebook. So of course, one I use quite often is lab analysis. So whether this is soil or tissue tests, we can upload those to Notebook LM. Pesticide application records, we can upload our meeting notes from the field. One nice trick, actually, you can actually use AI to transcribe your handwritten notes and then have those uploaded to the database as well. You can upload MP3 voice memos. It will transcribe those notes for you and upload them. You can input URLs, and Notebook will scrape that web page for you and drop that information into your presentation or your Notebook as well. Probably my favorite